Hello everyone, welcome to this Learn Anyone channel. So in this video, we will learn how to add SAP ECC server detail in your SAP GUI in Mac operating system, right? So let's go ahead. So we are already, make sure you have already installed the SAP GUI in your Mac operating system. So I have already installed over here. So if you have not installed, please watch my previous video. So this is a SAP GUI. So it is start basically GUI, right? So now I would like to add in this GUI. How could it possible? So there is an option here called create. Click on create here. Now you can put something like SAP ECC, something detail like ABAP or something, whatever you want. Okay, now here the system. Okay, system you can put none and router is not required anything. Now go to the like a login. Before login, you can see here connection type. Okay, so I am selecting here web as a ABAP, right? So now here you have to give here some detail, right? What are the detail basically you want your transaction all. Okay, but we will give later this one. Okay, and security you can skip it now. Languages you can skip this one. You can just click on Unicode here. Now go to the advanced, which is important. Okay, expert setting, just click on expert mode. Okay, and now this is the like address. This is a ECC servers detail. So how you can map into the in your GUI in Mac operating system. So this is like a connections we have copied over here, right? I will tell you how could do it. See here. Yes. Okay. So now this till hatch and connections, these are the basic for everyone, every connections. Now this is the basically we have a server. If you look into the detail about the server, so this is the application server, right? So same thing we have put it over here, and S, that is by default, and 32, okay, that is a by default, and 93 is a system detail. You can system number, you can say, or instance number, right? See, so this is how it is mapped into. Okay, if it is mapped here, now you have to click save. So now you can see it is added successfully. If you want to change anything, go here, you can change over here, and again you have to save it. If you want to delete, you can delete it. Even if you want to connect, select and click connect. See, it is connecting, right? So now you can have a user ID and password and login. You can give here and you can successfully log in into this like SAP GUI ECC system. So this is how. If you want more detail, you can go here about like SAP GUI. Let's see about SAP GUI. This is a detail, like all the detail would be here, like what versions, what service specs are there, you can see over here. So when settings, if you go settings, you will see so many options are there. Okay, if you would like to some configuration, if you want to done some changes, let's see theme, you can change the theme here based on your requirement. See here, so many themes are there, so based on that you can save it. And so there are so many options are over here, so based on your preference you can do over here. So currently I'm not doing anything, so these are the detail. If you have a go here, you can check for. So basically totally okay, how to basically you can connect and easy to use in Mac operating system. That is the main purpose we have to explain it. So if you click here, you can now you can give your ID and password, you will be successfully update and log in successfully, and now you start practicing. So this is the session with us. So please like, subscribe. If in case any like issues or any comments, please comment me, okay, and share with your friends. So thank you for like this video. Bye.